I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you find a fraudulent charge on your TD card, disputing it can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Review your transactions. Check your recent transactions thoroughly to confirm the charge is indeed fraudulent. Make sure you haven't forgotten about a legitimate purchase. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information such as receipts, emails, or screenshots that support your claim. This will help when you contact customer service. Step 3. Contact TD customer service. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Complete the dispute form. Follow the instructions given by customer service to fill out the dispute form. Make sure to include all necessary information to avoid delays. Step 5. Monitor your account. After submitting your dispute, keep an eye on your account for updates. TD may take a few days to investigate, so be patient and check back regularly. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue efficiently. Don't hesitate to reach out to TD if you have any questions along the way. Good luck!